Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn local storage and session storage in JavaScript. Now, this topic is very important because websites don't always want to forget users. For example, remembering login details, saving term preferences, keeping users' data even after refresh. JavaScript gives us two powerful tools for this: local storage and session storage. Don't worry if you've never heard of them before. I'll explain everything from zero, step by step. What is a storage? Normally, when you refresh a page, JavaScript forgets everything. Storage allows us to store data inside the browser. Now, we have the local storage and the session storage. The local storage has data that stays even after refresh, right? Also, data that stays even after closing the browsers. Alright, now the session storage has data that is cleared when the tab is closed, only works for one session. Let's start with a very simple HTML page. Alright, so in our HTML we're going to create a h1, that's our header, to just write the storage examples there, and we're going to write an input. So this input collects a name from the user. Alright, we give it an ID of name input and a placeholder of enter your name. Alright, next thing, we create a save button. So this button will save data into the storage. Okay, we give it an ID of save btn, and we have another button called clear storage. Alright, so this button will delete saved data. Okay, we give it an ID of clear btn, and we create a paragraph with an ID of output. It will be where we are going to display the stored data. Alright, so let's check everything on the browser. Alright, so right now nothing works yet. JavaScript will handle everything shortly. Okay, so let's come to our JS now. Alright, so here we select all the elements so JavaScript can control them. Okay, so we select the input. Alright, we select the save btn here. With the ID, get document or get element by ID, save btn, save input, or save btn, sorry, and the next clear btn as well. Okay, document or get element by ID, clear btn, and last but not the least, the output data. Okay, so we select this also with JavaScript too. So all of them have been selected, so JavaScript can control each and every one of them. So when the save button is clicked, this function runs. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so I was trying to do something, but this is a mistake. So first things first, we create this, right, our local storage. Okay, so this line saves data in local storage. Okay, username is the key. Okay, so right now we are creating an if statement. Alright, so to just change it to tell us that okay, welcome back with the username. Alright, so we just concatenated this here and it's going to call it out. Now we'll call the save button and add an event listener to it. So when the button is clicked, this function is going to run. Okay, so we store what the user typed inside this variable here. All right, and this is it. So as I said, this line is going to just save the data in the local storage. Username is the key, while name is the value. Okay, so we confirm to the user that the data is saved. Okay, so this is for the clear button as well. All right, so this is for the clear button, and we do the opposite of this. Okay, all right, so this removes a specific key from the storage. Okay, and this is for the output here. Okay, beautiful. So now this is it. I think the clear button is correct and the save button is here already. Well, let's check our browser then. Okay, so we are going to enter a name and click on save. So it is saved now. So even if I refresh, you can see that it still shows me welcome back, peace. All right, so that's how it is working. Upon I refresh, the local storage is working, but now I clicked on cleared. Now if I type anything and I refresh the page, see, nothing shows. All right, so that's how the local storage works. Okay, so this is it. This is all you need to know on the local storage. All right, so we'll look at the session storage. So session storage works the same way, but the data disappears when the tab is closed. Okay, so that's just how it works. So the same method, just different behaviors. Okay, so we get the session user as well, and we are going to remove it too. So it's the same way. Okay, yeah, so we do the same thing here. Yeah, so this is it. So we use local storage when we want the data to exist. Okay, remember the user preferences. And we use session storage when we want temporary data, one-time sessions, or security sensitive data. Okay, so local storage only stores string, right? Object and arrays must be converted using the json.stringify and read using the json.parse. Okay, so today you learned what local storage is, what session storage is, how to save, read and delete data. This is real world JavaScript used in almost every app. Okay, so if this lesson was helpful, give a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next lesson. Thank you.